Hello guys, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to download and install LDPlayer 9.0 on our Windows 11, Windows 10 or any Windows operating system by the simplest way. LDPlayer 9.0 is better than the Bluestacks 5. That's why we are going to installing LDPlayer 9.0. It's also support very low-end PC and it runs our games very smoothly on our PC. That's why we are going to installing LDPlayer 9.0. So let's go and install LDPlayer 9.0. First of all, just go to the any web browser and here just type LDPlayer. Just type LDPlayer or LDPlayer 9.0. Okay, and first link is from the ldplayer.net. Okay, it is an official site of the LDPlayer. Open that site. Okay, now LDPlayer is open. Here we find two options. First option is LDPlayer 9 and second option is LDPlayer 4. It is an old version and it is a new version. We are going to the new version, so just click on download LDPlayer 9. Okay, now our download is started. Okay, now just go to the show all. Okay, here is our LDPlayer 9. Okay, show in a folder and drag this to desktop. Okay, now close it. Now just double click on this ldplayer.exe file. Double click on LDPlayer 9.0. Click on yes. Here we can go to the install, or just if you want to change a setup path, then just click at here and change a setup path. I don't want to change a setup path. It is an E drive. Okay, so I want to change it. I don't want to any path in a E drive, so I just go to the C drive. Okay, now our path is in the C drive and just go to the install. Now our installation is started and it's take some time because it is very large and heavy file, so be patient and wait for a few minutes or few seconds depending on the speed of your internet. So wait for some time. Now our installation complete. Just click on the start and our LDPlayer is start. Now our LDPlayer is starting. It's take few minutes because it is starting first time, so be patient and wait for 1 or 2 minutes. Now our LDPlayer 9 is started. Just go to the system apps and just go to the Play Store and just log into your Play Store and just download and install any game, any app and run this app or game very smoothly on LDPlayer 9 because it is very good for the low-end PC and also very good for the games. So guys, LDPlayer 9 is installed on our PC. It is very good for the low-end PC and it is also very good for the gaming. You can play any game, any app very smoothly on this LDPlayer because it is support very low-end PC also. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video and don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you guys.